Hello, this is Disguise Genius, and in this video we are going to learn how to add some user interactivity to a Wix webpage. Now here I have opened to a webpage in which we have a bunch of portraits of actors. These portrait elements will react to the cursor when the cursor is moved over the portrait, and then thereby revealing the actor's name. This action is called a mouse over or a hover over. And we are going to learn how to do this on a Wix webpage. First thing you're going to have to do is log into your Wix account, choose the website that you want to do this on, click on Site Actions, and go to Edit Site. This will bring you to your Wix website editor. Once your site comes up in the editor, select up here to switch your page to the page that you want to edit. The page that we're going to edit today is Stars. We're going to scroll down there to the end where we would add another portrait. And as you can see here, when you put your cursor over the elements here in the web page, they don't come up as an image. They come up as an icon button. It's the icon button that allows you to use this mouse over feature or this hover over feature, in which your cursor hovers over the element and then the name of the actor would come up. You can find the icon button here when you hit Add, come down here to Button, and on the subsequent flyout menu here, we have icon buttons. To add an icon to your web page, simply drag it over to your web page. And you can resize your button by simply grabbing on one of these handles and dragging. Now I know that this looks like an icon and not a picture of an actor. You can change your icon and change your image. Now we have three states. We have regular, hover, and clicked. Each of these items have to be changed to the portrait of your actor. When you hit Change Image, you'll be taken to your library of images. And this is where you would have previously loaded the image of your actor, and then in a program like Photoshop, you would have added text to the image to give the actor's name. Now the first image we need to change is the regular image. You see we have regular here is clicked, and it's clicked because it's in white. We can change to the hover over. That's when the cursor goes over the element, it will change. So if I quickly do a preview here, I can illustrate this. So in the preview, the cursor comes over the portrait and it changes to the old icon. That's because we haven't changed the image yet. So let's come back to the editor, select the icon button by clicking on it, come up here to change icon, and we don't want to change the regular. It's exactly what we want it to be. We are going to click on hover and change this image to the image that has Bela Lugosi's name on it, and we'll apply it. And we'll also apply the same image to the clicked version. And there you go. We now have a nice element here with a portrait of one of these actors that will interact with the user when the user puts his cursor over the portrait of the actor. And here it happens like this. Also, for purposes of this web page, you will probably want to add a link so that when the user clicks on the portrait, it will go to another web page. And in this instance, we want it to go to a web page about the actor. And to do this, you click on the chain links here that says link. Right now there is no link, but you would want to add a web page or another page possibly on your website, or going to the top or the bottom. Here are the other options, but we would want to normally go to another website, and here you would paste the website or the wiki page that you want the user to go to when it's clicked. And that's how it's done.